Imagine this. You walk into a store and your phone lights up with an exclusive deal tailored to your location. This is an example of the power of real-time marketing at work. In this lesson, we'll uncover what real-time marketing is and why it's such a game changer in today's fast-paced digital landscape, and the strategies that you can start using to harness its full potential. Real-time marketing is all about interacting with your audience in the moment. It's using real-time data and insights to deliver personalized, immediate responses that resonate deeply with your customers. Whether it's reacting to a trending topic on social media or sending out an offer the second a customer enters your store, real-time marketing is all about being agile, relevant, and engaging. In today's digital-first world, customers expect instant, meaningful interactions. They are inundated with content offers and ads every single day, so standing out requires relevance and speed. Real-time marketing often sees higher engagement rates, such as a timely message filled with relevant content, captures attention, and it ensures people are more likely to engage. It also allows you to meet customers where they are, literally and figuratively. By leveraging data like location, recent activity, you can deliver experiences that feel uniquely tailored. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore 3 powerful strategies to implement real-time marketing effectively. First, push notifications. Push notifications are a cornerstone of real-time marketing. They allow you to send relevant messages directly to your audience's devices. But the key is striking a balance. Too many notifications, you'll risk annoying your audience. And too few, you might miss opportunities to connect. For example, a food delivery app might send a push notification during lunchtime with a special offer for free delivery, or a retail app could notify users about a flash sale happening in the next 2 hours. The immediacy of push notifications can drive instant action, whether it's making a purchase, engaging with content, or showing up to an event. 2. Mobile app marketing. Your mobile app is a goldmine for real-time marketing opportunities. By analyzing user behavior within the app, you can create personalized experiences that keep customers engaged. Consider offering product recommendations based on what a user has browsed or purchased, delivering reminders for abandoned carts in a way that feels helpful rather than pushy, and creating dynamic in-app experiences like personalized welcome screens or exclusive content for loyal users. This strategy not only drives conversions, but also strengthens your relationship with your audience by making them feel valued. 3. Geolocated marketing. Geolocated marketing takes personalization to the next level by targeting customers based on their real-time location. This can be incredibly powerful for brick-and-mortar businesses or events. A company might send a discount code when a customer is within a certain radius of a store, or trigger a notification with event details as attendees arrive at a conference. By leveraging location data responsibly, you can create seamless, context-aware experiences that drive both foot traffic and conversions. Real-time marketing isn't just a buzzword. It is a transformative approach to connecting with your audience in ways that feel personal, relevant, and immediate. By incorporating strategies like push notifications, mobile app marketing, and geolocated targeting, you can create impactful moments that stand out in a crowded digital space. So, what is your next step? Start by identifying one area in your current marketing strategy where real-time engagement could make a difference. Whether it's setting up a push notification campaign or experimenting with geolocation data, take action and see how your audience responds. Real-time marketing is all about being there for your audience when it matters most. And now you have the tools to make that happen.